This is me beginning the DeLorean Mark III. Here is the dashboard. There are the accessories for the passenger seat. You have, because this is a Mark III with the 1950s tires, you have the clock tower picture. You have the cowboy hat. You have the red boots that Marty was given by Doc, and in the footwell you have the hoverboard. And then you can see the back behind the seats with the flux capacitor. Let me get it in camera. And the time circuits. And I'm about to do step number 4, which is to put the doors on. So we'll see how that goes, and hopefully it doesn't disturb anything that's already glued in place.